Hello, my dear awesome tech YouTube family. This is your tech lover software Kurodu. First of all, I'm so sorry, guys, for getting the videos late. And from today onwards, I'm sure I don't get delay in uploading the videos. So, and before going to start the video, I am expressing my deep condolences on loss of our great revolutionist and legend, Sri Ratan Tata ji. So he is a man of evolution and he is meant for lots of people happiness. So let's get into the process. So guys, PM internship scheme. So recently the Narendra Modi ji has announced this scheme of the PM internship. So from and the registration date is started from October 12th and the last date of application is October 26th. So in this video, I'm going to tell each and every step and like how to apply for the internship and what are the stages are there, how to give your details correctly. So don't skip at any moment. And also I would like to tell you one thing, guys. It's my personal request. So don't be fall in the trap of the scammers. So most of the people are sending the fake job profiles and job ads, so please be alert while applying for any job applications. So I'll make a video on that one also. um, so the Ministry of Corporate Affairs has begun the registration process already, and the eligibility criteria is mainly for BE, BA, BSc, BCom, BTech, BBA, and lot more. So they are giving their free hands and to the people for every qualified people, every qualification people. So there is no a particular qualification people are going to apply. There is that kind of thing. And also the age group is between 21 to 24, and it's a 12 months internship. So they are going to provide the 5,000 stipend also, so 4,500, which is giving from CSR funds and 500 from the company. So the topmost companies like TCS, Wipro, HCL, Deloitte, DMart, and lots of companies are there. Like topmost 500 companies will be going to give you the internship. So it is totally based upon their criteria and also your eligibility. So I think most of the people can apply for this like PM internship scheme. So without any delay, let's get into the application process. So this is the website, guys. So the application is doesn't have any payment. So first of all, click on the youth registration button. So for going to register you, and here enter your mobile number. So your first must and should give you a mobile number which is linked to your Aadhaar number. So after that, click on I confirm and submit. So after submit, you'll get a OTP. So please enter the OTP which is sent to your mobile number, and click here I consent and agree. And you have to give the current password which is giving to your mobile number as a message. So you will get a message. So as in this format, and after that change the password as in the format I given below. It should be minimum 8 characters, and click on submit. And after that, click on proceed with the Merry pension. So you have to access with the DigiLocker account. If you don't have, please create a DigiLocker account, give your Aadhaar number here. So after that, enter the captcha which is shown here, and after that, click on next. So you'll get a OTP on the registered mobile number. So click on continue. And if you have a DigiLocker account, please give the security pin. And after that, here you can see the details already uploaded in that. So click on allow. So these are the details already. Some of the details are already got pasted. And first of all, give your father number and select the category, and also give the house number if you have. And uh, and also address line 1, your village name, and address line 2, it may be your mandal or some other post also. You can give either post or mandal in the address line 2. And next one, give the state of your location and district, and also don't need to give the block, and enter the postal code or your pin code. So click on permanent is your permanent address and is same with your current address, means give click on yes. And if you have a disability, click on yes and select the disability, or else click on no and click on save and next. So give your mail ID which is registered with your Aadhaar card number. So it is good to give that email ID, because you will get all the notifications. So after giving the email ID, click on send OTP. So it will give a OTP to your email. Click on the check it in the spam box for the OTP. So after after enter successfully, give the contact details and enter your education details also. So give your all 10th enter and graduation details. So like I am giving a 10th course, and also like the name of the board, institution, and year of passing, marks gained, and also CGPA, and also upload your certificate, upload your marks memo of your 10th class. And later on click on save or add or more, and add all your 10th enter and BTech details also. Click on save and next. And here it is showing like other seeded personal bank account is mandatory, so you have to give your bank account details also. So it is clearly mentioned here. Okay, and then only you will get the money to your bank account. So click on the S and select next, and just give your skills here. So I am giving some random skills. So I am giving like advanced Excel, and leadership skills, and also MS Office, and whatever the skills, like please give those skills. Like it's not like mandatory to give, so those skills only. So and select the languages and if you have any past experience, give the experience here, not an issue. Like it is a experience will completely based upon the company experience, like whatever you have done in the past in another companies. And also mention if you have any certificates. And also it is not mandatory, if you want you can. So it is nothing but it will generate you a resume template, so that's why it is asking you to give the details. So you can preview the resume also, no issue. And after giving all the details and click on complete profile. So it is showing like your profile has been completed successfully. So have a look on the grievance portal also, and this is a grievance portal. If you have any problem, you can give the problem category, subcategory, and subcategory also. So on that problem, they will inquire the problem and give the solution as soon as possible. You can check out your application status, and also you can check out the grievance feedback on the left side nav bar. So after that, give the feedback and give some suggestions also if needed.